Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, this is our team.
I'm Hafid.
I'm Farhan.
And I'm Akmal.
In this occasion, we will discuss about how to manage your time. With these 20 ways, you can successfully manage your time. Don't ever think and say that you don't have time, because, like everyone else, you are also given exactly the same amount of time as successful and busy people out there. This is, of course, a reflection in itself. It could be that there's a lot of time that has probably been wasted in vain or in vain. Wasting time is the same as wasting many opportunities and opportunities to achieve success in life. You will lose a lot of valuable things that you should have right now. Even though you have been acting like this, it doesn't mean that it can be changed and improved. Therefore, take a look at some of following successful ways to manage your time. Here is 20 effective ways to manage your time. 1. Finish important work first. When working or doing various other things in life, it is very important to always complete the most important things. Only where various other things follow, this will be a mindset that makes it easier for you to manage your work, and you will have sufficient time to do each job according to your needs for completion. Next, to number 2, learn to say no. What we often do is waste time on activities that are not that important. This will actually make you lose and not get anything. Start committing to rejecting various activities or things that will waste your time. Number 3, sleep at least 7 until 8 hours a day. Don't take your sleep time for granted by doing various useless things, such as staying up late for nothing or surfing the internet until morning. These various things will disrupt your sleep hours and a number of activities you want to do in the morning. You will find it difficult to focus and completing various tasks and work because of lack of sleep and rest. Number 4, focus on work. If you work in front of a computer screen, make it a habit to always focus and do your job well. Avoid the temptation to open various windows that have nothing to do with work, so the work can be complete on time.
Number 5, finish early. Don't like to procrastinate or do work in a hurry. This will put you at risk of making mistakes and also various other things that reduce the value of the work you are handling. It would be very good if you always finish work early and on time. Number 6, don't waste time on small things. Checking the work in detail is very important. However, it will be very time consuming if you do it all the time. Meanwhile, the work has not yet been completed. So, do the work regularly and according to the points that should be after. After that, you can take a moment to check it again after everything is done. Number 7, make man work a habit. This will be very enjoyable if you can apply it to your life. You make routine work a habit or a pleasant hobby. By doing this, the work will feel like and not chilling, especially if you really enjoy it. Number 8, be observant in managing time. For those of you who have various habits related to the internet and other things, such as games, television, and being active on various social media, it would be very appropriate if you have smart management to do this. Don't let your time be wasted on various activities or habits that you have that don't provide maximum benefit in your life. Number 9, estimate and determine week work completed time. You can be more focused and enthusiastic when you complete a job within a certain deadline. because giving a date for a job can help you to do more efficient and smarter in managing every second of time you have. Number 10. Take a break for every job completed. Doing something in a rush and completing other work immediately after can make you bored and not have enough rest. Don't do this because it will become a training and boring habit. Take a break and get some fresh air before finally doing other work. Number 11. Don't always stick to your to-do list. If you have the habit of writing down a daily to-do list, that doesn't mean you have to do it non-stop and without any break at all. You can focus on the list, but you still have to take a sufficient amount of time to rest and lock away for a moment before finally continuing with the tasks that await you. Number 12. Exercise and consuming healthy food. Don't forget about sports activities so your body stay healthy and fit when doing activities. Also eat good food and have sufficient nutritional intake so that your body remains healthy and ready to carry out various daily activities.
Number 13. Do less. By reducing your workload, you can focus on some of the most important work that must be completed immediately. This will increase your concentration on certain tasks that are most important and require a certain amount of precision more than others. Number 14. Take advantage of the weekend. There's no harm in using your weekend for a few hours to just catch up on work. This may be an annoying activity for some people. However, this activity can reduce some of your workload during the week, instead of spending it in silence and with nothing to do at all. It's a good idea to use the weekend to simply reduce your workload. Number 15. Make everything neat and organized. Don't let your home and work become completely messy and disorganized. This will waste a lot of your time and energy to fix it, especially if it turns out that you let the same thing happen to various things in your life. Start tidying up these various things, especially those related to work. Number 16. Do something while waiting. There are times when we spend time waiting, whether for work or other matters. Don't waste time in silence and in vain. You can read or do anything that is useful for yourself, of course. Number 17. Looking yourself in silence. This is not related to any problems or anything else. Every now and then you really need time alone and to reflect in silence, for example in your bedroom. By doing this, you will usually have time to think and look back at what you have done so far. Apart from that, you can also listen to all the desires within yourself. Number 18. Commit to doing something. This is very important, especially for those of you who are always used to delaying or even ignoring various other things that are really needed in life. Have a strong commitment to doing various things that you really want or need so that you have achievement in your life. Number 19. Complete related work or tasks. Do work that is related to one another so you can concentrate at once on complete the sequentially. Number 20. Eliminate negative thoughts. Sometimes negative thoughts arise within us. This will be very annoying and make various other things not good. Eliminate and leave this thing behind so that you can be comfortable and calm. Start slowly. Managing time is not an easy thing to do, especially if you are far from used to doing it. However, if done slowly, the various methods above will really help you to manage your time well. And remember, commit to carrying it out.
Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.